When this guy tried to prove his expensive helmet was better, he ran over the cheaper helmet to show how easily it broke, then ran over his own expensive one and it barely even moved. But in reality, you might actually want the cheaper helmet, because believing that a helmet is better just because it doesn't break could put your life in danger. Helmets are designed to be light and slightly breakable on purpose. When you fall or take a hit, a good helmet cracks and crushes a little to absorb the impact. And that absorbed energy is what protects your head. But if a helmet is too hard and never breaks, all of that force has nowhere to go except directly into your skull, which is exactly what causes serious injury and death.